Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best bulk nuts and bolts is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any construction, repair, or DIY project, providing the critical fastening power that holds everything together securely and reliably, ensuring the structural integrity and longevity of your creations. Whether you're building a sturdy shelf, assembling furniture, or undertaking a major renovation, making the right choice in fasteners paramount to your success and peace of mind. Number 5. Jackson Palmer 2251-piece hardware assortment kit. Introducing a comprehensive hardware kit with 2,251 pieces across 62 different sizes. It includes a wide range of screws, bolts, nuts, and washers to tackle any project. You'll find 19 sizes of wood and sheet metal screws, totaling 665 pieces. Plus, 720 SAE and 865 metric pieces of bolts, nuts, and washers, each in multiple sizes. Crafted for demanding tasks, this assortment features grade 2 nuts and bolts. The heat-treated screws are designed for durability, ensuring professional results for your DIY projects. Keep your hardware perfectly sorted with the interlocking lid that prevents mixing. Removable dividers allow for customizable organization, making it easy to find exactly what you need. The durable, stackable cases with locking tabs make carrying and transport a breeze. You can even add more empty bins to expand your collection as needed. This versatile kit is ideal for all your household maintenance and repair needs. It's the perfect solution for any DIY enthusiast looking for quality and convenience. What we like. This kit offers an incredible variety with over 2,251 pieces and 62 different sizes, ensuring you have the right hardware for almost any job. Its innovative no-mix compartments keep everything organized and readily accessible. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional tackling a wide range of projects, this is the ultimate solution for comprehensive hardware needs. What people say. The kit includes 2,200 pieces across 62 sizes, covering everything from wood and sheet metal screws to SAE and metric bolts, nuts, and washers. The 3 interlocking trays kept everything neatly sorted, making it easy to find the right part without sifting through a jumble. The quality was impressive too. The grade 2 nuts and bolts, along with the heat-treated screws, felt sturdy and reliable. This comprehensive assortment is incredibly well organized, with each piece neatly stored in a sturdy, compartmentalized case. The variety of screws, nuts, bolts, and washers included in this kit is impressive, covering almost any hardware need you might encounter in DIY projects or household repairs. Number 4. Kadrick Metric Screw Assortment Kit. Introducing the Kadrick Metric Screw Assortment Kit, a comprehensive collection of M2, M3, M4, and M5 machine screws. This kit includes both lock and flat washers for your convenience. Crafted from grade 10.9 alloy steel, these screws offer exceptional strength and durability. The precise threads ensure a secure and reliable fit for all your projects. All screws adhere to the standard metric system, ISO DIN, for compatibility. They are available in various lengths to meet your specific needs, with measured tolerances for accuracy. This assortment comes neatly packed in a sturdy, easy-to-use plastic storage box. Everything is conveniently organized, making it simple to find the exact fastener you need. Keep a set of these commonly used screws on hand for any task. They are perfect for a wide range of applications, ensuring you're always prepared. Kadrick specializes in high-quality fasteners, rigorously tested for your confidence. Enjoy peace of mind with our 24-month after-sales warranty service. What we like. This assortment focuses on metric sizes from M2 to M5, crafted from high-strength grade 10.9 alloy steel for superior durability. If you're working on projects requiring precise metric measurements and robust fasteners, such as electronics, small machinery, or automotive repairs, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. This kit includes a wide range of bolt sizes, M2, M3, M4, M5, making it versatile for various projects, from DIY tasks to professional applications. Having multiple sizes readily available is incredibly convenient. The screws are made from high-quality materials that feel sturdy and reliable. They have a nice finish, and I haven't experienced any rust or corrosion so far. The kit comes in a well-organized plastic storage box with labeled compartments, making it easy to find the right size quickly. The compartments are sturdy and keep the screws neatly separated, preventing any mix-ups. Number 3. Mr. Penn 810 PCS Stainless Steel Fastener Kit. Introducing the Mr. Penn 810-piece fastener kit. It's designed to handle a wide variety of your fastening needs. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these fasteners offer exceptional durability and resistance to rust. They are perfect for use in any environment, whether indoors or outdoors. This kit includes a variety of hex bolts, nuts, and washers. Everything is neatly organized in a durable storage box, making it easy to find what you need. With precision threading and a strong grip, these fasteners ensure your assemblies are both reliable and secure. They are ideal for any project, from DIY to professional applications. This comprehensive kit is suitable for automotive, construction, and home improvement tasks. You can count on its versatility and long-lasting performance for all your projects. What we like. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this kit provides excellent rust resistance, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor applications. With 810 pieces, it offers a good balance of quantity and quality. If you need durable, corrosion-resistant fasteners for home improvement, construction, or automotive tasks where longevity is key, this is the set for you. What people say. None of the bolts I tried had any trouble threading into washers and nuts. All screws were individually wrapped. Each screw size, including nuts and washers, were packaged in their own slightly greased Ziploc bag. Very convenient for keeping them organized. Number 2. 1035-piece grade 5 nut bolt and washer assortment. This comprehensive set includes 1035 pieces of grade 5 fasteners. It covers a wide range of common sizes for your projects. You'll find hex head bolts, hex nuts, lock washers, and flat washers. All are made to grade 5 standards for reliability. Keep everything tidy with 30 durable, stackable plastic bins. Each bin comes with identification labels for easy sorting. This assortment includes essential sizes such as 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, and 1/2 inch. It's ready for various applications. The bins are designed to be hung on louvered panels. This offers a convenient way to save valuable workspace. Whether you're working on repairs or new builds, this collection provides the fasteners you need. It ensures you have the right part on hand. What we like. This kit features grade 5 bolts with standard coarse threads, perfect for general-purpose fastening applications. The inclusion of 30 durable, stackable bins with labels makes organization and storage incredibly convenient. If you're looking for a straightforward, easy-to-manage set for common construction or repair tasks, this is a practical option. What people say. It contains a very good assortment. The quality of product and variety of sizes has helped me in many of my projects. Very neatly packed, with all bins containing individual baggies which are clearly marked. Number 1. 900 PCS Stainless Steel Nuts and Bolts Assortment Kit. This comprehensive kit includes 900 pieces of assorted nuts and bolts, featuring 16 different sizes of bolts and 4 sizes of nuts and washers. You'll find a wide variety of sizes to suit all your fastening needs. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, these fasteners are built to last. They offer excellent resistance to rust and corrosion, ensuring durability even in challenging environments. Everything is neatly organized in a convenient storage box with separate compartments for each size. This makes it easy to find what you need and keeps them travel-friendly. Whether you're tackling home repairs, DIY projects, or working on electronics, furniture, or vehicles, this set is an ideal tool. It's perfect for a wide range of applications. We are committed to your satisfaction with a 24-month money-back warranty. Your experience is our top priority, and we ensure you receive the best quality. What we like. Made from 304 stainless steel, this set offers excellent resistance to rust and corrosion, ensuring longevity even in challenging conditions. With 900 pieces and individual packaging for each size, it provides great value and organization. If you frequently work on DIY projects, furniture, vehicles, or electronics and need reliable, weather-resistant fasteners, this kit is a fantastic choice. What people say. The quality is good and gives you the opportunity to have a nice selection of fasteners on hand. Love that this kit includes plenty of options in 3 different sizes and even more options for length. Screws range from small up as per the chart enclosed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.